What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a company called Brother Nature Beards. So make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do, as you can tell from the intro, I do beard product reviews, hiking videos, gear reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at a company called Brother Nature Beards. So if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and stay with me through this because this is going to be a good review. Alright, so I found this company on Etsy, reached over to Instagram, found them on Instagram, and reached out to them and said, hey, tell me about your company. They sent me some stuff to test out and try out. One being this awesome hat. So they are based out of Asheville, North Carolina, and this hat is amazing. This has all of a sudden become my new favorite hat. So, alright, so a little bit about their company before we go over what they sent me. I reached out and they told me the two owners' names are Brandon and Scott. Alright, both started Brother Nature Beards last year in 2018. They're both veterans that grew their beards out as soon as they got out of service, and they will never shave again, according to them. Brandon was in the Marine Corps and Scott was in the Navy. I'll stop here and say thank you both for your service, and means a lot to us. They started their company as a way of getting out into the community, and they've always wanted to start a business together. They wanted a way to give back. So last year in 2018, they donated a portion of their profits to the Multiple Sclerosis Society. This year, 2019, they're donating a portion of their profits to the Till Valhalla project. That project's main mission is to help prevent veteran suicide by raising awareness. They also donate plaques to the families of the fallen heroes. So that is a good place to be giving some profits to, and that's awesome. They're committed to making all natural product with no chemicals or fragrance. None of their products have fragrance oils. They only use essential oils. They also locally source some of their ingredients, such as the honey and beeswax, are locally sourced from a farm right there in the Blue Ridge Mountains near where they're located. The honey is in their butter, and beeswax is in the balm. They also, some of their essential oils are also locally sourced. So really cool way of them giving back locally and giving back to the veteran community. This year giving profits to the Till Valhalla project. So that's really cool. Now into their products and what they sent me. First off, what they sent me came in this burlap bag, that's pretty cool. Stamped with Brother Nature, with their logo on it. So we got that. Everybody likes stickers. So we got these, and you get a big card that has allergy warnings, directions, ingredients, and a note. Their products do not have ingredients on them, so they send you this card that has their ingredients listed. This is it is the coolest business card I have ever seen. It is an actual piece of wood. Alright, that's the coolest business card I've ever seen, hands down. So Brother Nature Beards, you take the cake on best business card. I will definitely be keeping this. All right, so what they sent me, they make beard oils, balms, and butters. All right, so they have a little bit of everything. They also have combs. So this is a green sandalwood comb with the wide tooth and the narrow tooth. This retails on Etsy for them for $8.49 for a pretty good price for a comb. Now let's get into some of their products. So what they sent me an oil, a balm, and a butter in 3 different scents. This one is the oil. It comes in, it's Commando is what they sent it, which is their unscented, and that is a giant bottle. All right, so they sell their oils in 2-ounce and 4-ounce containers. The price for that, 2 ounce is $9.49 and 4 ounce is $14.49. So well below the average price for beard oil. All right. So, and as you can tell, there's just that much left. I've been using this. So it is truly unscented. There's no scent whatsoever. It's got a yellowish, greenish tint to it. And it's on the medium thickness, but that is their logo if it will focus. So they've got their logo up top and then the scent here and beard oil on the bottom. So there's that. The balm that they sent me is in Ranger scent. All right, again, back label is blank. So the Ranger is eucalyptus, blue spruce, pine, cedarwood, and clary sage. It's a pop top tin. It's not a screw top. And it's kind of got a yellow tint to it. That's from that beeswax. And it is a thick, creamy consistency. And I pick up that eucalyptus first. I mean, that's the first thing I pick up. And then I just get that cedarwood and that pine. It smells so good. It's kind of it's more of a medium hold balm. It is a little bit thicker, and we'll get a little bit here and but it emulsifies instant. And when you apply heat and you emulsify it, that eucalyptus kind of goes away a little bit. And you pick up that blue spruce, you pick up that spruce and that pine even more, and it's good. All right, so next they sent me a butter. Now I will tell you, this is the very first beard butter that I've had. All right, first one that I've owned, first one that I've used. It comes in a green plastic screw top container, and it as well is a yellowish. And I'll tell you, when I got it, it was across the top full. I mean, it was jam-packed. Now this is in the Dude scent, which is bourbon, sandalwood, blood orange, and cardamom. And I pick up a little bit of that bourbon and a little bit of that sandalwood. Now, I didn't clean the other one off my hand, so let's see. But this one emulsifies just as well. And you can really smell that bourbon and that sandalwood. Now, I'll tell you, since I've gotten this and started using it, this butter has been my every night routine. This is what I use in my beard every single night before I go to bed. And I love it. It smells good. It's easy to put in. It doesn't have, it is a little bit greasy initially, but then that kind of goes away. It absorbs really well. And even in the morning, I can get a comb through my curly beard. I can get a comb through it with no problem. And so this is great. Now the price on the butter, they have a 2 ounce for $9.49 and a 4 ounce for $14.49. So again, prices are amazing. I don't think I went over the bombs. The bomb prices, they sell them in 1 ounce, 2 ounce, and 4 ounce containers. 1 ounce is $7.49, 2 ounce is $9.49, and 4 ounce is $14.49. So awesome company, awesome motivation behind them, what they're doing, what they're donating money for. They're giving back to their local community, and I think they have a good business. I highly recommend. I can't say anything bad about these 3 products, no doubt. Been using this. This is a very sturdy comb. Been using this daily. Main ingredients that they use for their butters and their balms: shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, kokum butter, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, castor oil, essential oils, and pumpkin seed oil. And that's pretty much the same across the butter and the balm. The only difference really that I see, I think, is the balm uses beeswax and the butter uses honey. Now the oil ingredients: avocado oil, castor oil, olive oil, pumpkin seed oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, apricot kernel oil, aloe vera, grapeseed oil, and essential oils. Now again, they use no fragrance oil, so these scents are going to last 3-4 hours on a good day, which is fine by me. A good product, I don't need to smell all day, as long as I know it's doing what it needs to do for my beard. And I'm going to drop links in the description for all of their stuff, their Etsy page, their Instagram. Definitely check them out. Give them a look. It's highly recommend this company. Drop me comments if you got any questions. If you want to know anything else about this that I may know, drop me a comment. Let me know. Make sure to hit that thumbs up on this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.